Let's start by adding 1½ cups of white flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it well. Or you can choose to sift the flour mixture. I prefer to sift. This is the secret to make fluffy pancakes. Now add 1 big egg and beat it well. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter or olive oil. Now add 1½ cup of milk. Mix it well. Add flour slowly, continuously beating while adding. Add some more milk to give desired consistency. It should not be like dough. At this point, adding some more milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. This step is optional if you have time. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it well. On medium-high heated pan, add some butter or oil and spread it. Add 1/4 cup of pancake batter. When you see bubbles, then flip it. Within 30 seconds it will be ready. Flip and check if it is cooked, and then transfer it to plate. If you make these pancakes once, you will never buy the boxed pancake mix from the store. At this point, before flipping, you can add blueberries, raspberries, or banana slices. These pancakes are fluffy and flavorful. By adding berries, it will become more delicious. Top with butter and maple syrup. Enjoy the yummy pancakes. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.